Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Josh Carter, and today we're diving into something huge, how to make money with artificial intelligence stocks. AI is changing everything, healthcare, finance, self-driving cars, and even how businesses run. And guess what? The stock market is no exception. So, if you've ever wondered how to profit from AI and invest in some of the hottest AI-driven companies, then stick around. We'll break it all down in a way that's super easy to understand. Plus, I'll give you a list of 10 AI stocks you should keep your eye on. Let's get into it. Section 1. Why AI is revolutionizing the stock market. Artificial intelligence isn't just about robots and sci-fi movies anymore. It's real and it's happening now. AI is making businesses more efficient, cutting costs, and driving insane growth. Here's the deal. Companies that use AI are able to process data faster, make smarter decisions, and improve their products and services. That's why investors are pouring billions of dollars into AI companies. Think about it. AI powers self-driving cars, chatbots, virtual assistants, medical research, and even stock market predictions. So it's no surprise that AI-related stocks are some of the fastest growing in the market. Section 2. How AI technology impacts stock performance. Let's break it down into three major ways AI affects stocks. 1. Increased efficiency equals higher profits. OAI automates tasks, reduces human error, and cuts costs. This means companies can make more money while spending less. More profits, higher stock prices. 2. AI creates new revenue streams of companies that develop AI-powered tools like cloud computing automation software and AI chips have new ways to make money. Investors love that. 3. Massive market growth. Achoo! The AI market is expected to be worth over $1.8 trillion by 2030. That means more demand, more innovation, and more money flowing into AI stocks. Section 3, top 10 AI stocks to watch now. Let's talk about the top AI stocks that could make you money. These companies are leading the way in AI innovation and have huge growth potential. 1. NVIDIA, NVDA. What they do. NVIDIA makes some of the most powerful AI chips in the world. These chips are used in AI research, gaming, self-driving cars, and even AI-powered cloud computing. Why invest? And NVIDIA is a leader in AI hardware, and demand for its products keeps skyrocketing. 2. Alphabet, Google. What they do. Google's parent company owns DeepMind, one of the most advanced AI labs in the world. Google also uses AI in search, ads, YouTube, and cloud computing. Why invest? AI is a core part of Google's future, and its ad revenue and cloud business continue to grow. 3. Microsoft MSFT. What they do. Microsoft is a major player in AI through Azure, its cloud computing platform, and its investment in OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. Why invest? Microsoft's AI-powered tools are being integrated into its software, making it a long-term winner. 4. Amazon AMZN. What they do. Amazon uses AI and Alexa, AWS, Amazon Web Services, and its recommendation algorithms for shopping. Why invest? AWS is one of the biggest cloud computing platforms, and AI plays a major role in its growth. 5. Tesla, TSLA. What they do. Tesla uses AI for its self-driving technology, autopilot features, and robotics. Why invest? As Tesla improves its AI-powered self-driving cars, the stock could continue to rise. 6. Meta platforms. Meta. What they do. Meta, formerly Facebook, is using AI to improve content recommendations, ad targeting, and even its metaverse ambitions. Why invest? AI-driven advertising is a huge moneymaker for Meta, and its long-term AI projects could be game changers. 7. IBM. What they do. IBM has been working on AI for decades, with its Watson AI leading the charge in business applications, cloud computing, and healthcare. Why invest? IBM is pushing AI into big industries, and it's still a strong player in enterprise AI. 8. Palantir Technologies, PLTR. What they do. Palantir specializes in AI-powered data analytics used by governments and large corporations. Why invest? Governments rely on Palantir's AI for security and intelligence, giving it steady revenue growth. 9. C3.ai. What they do. This company focuses on AI-powered software solutions for businesses, helping them make data-driven decisions. Why invest? As more companies adopt AI, C3.ai's technology could become essential for businesses worldwide. 10. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. What they do. AMD is a competitor to NVIDIA, producing AI-focused processors and GPUs. Why invest? AMD is growing in the AI chip market, and demand for AI processing power keeps increasing. Section 4. How to invest in AI stocks. So now that you know the top AI stocks, how do you invest in them? Here are 3 ways to start. 1. Buy individual stocks. If you believe in a specific AI company, you can buy shares of that company through a stock market app like Public, Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, or Fidelity. 2. Invest in AI ETFs. If you don't want to pick individual stocks, you can invest in an ETF, exchange traded fund, that holds multiple AI stocks. A good one to check out is Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF, AIQ. 3. Look at AI-related industries. AI is also used in industries like healthcare, cybersecurity, and finance. Investing in companies that use AI, not just those that make it, can also be a great strategy. Alright guys, that's a wrap on how to make money with AI stocks. AI is taking over industries, and investing in the right companies could mean serious profits in the years to come. Now, I want to hear from you. Which AI stock are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future investing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.